My name is Dr. Nabil Kilifi. I am a senior publishing editor with Springer, which is a part of Springer Nature in Germany. I work with Springer since more than 3 years. Now we have a very promising project here in Tunisia. Tunisia is one of the successful countries in terms of scientific research and publication output. So we have a great interest to come here and work side to side with scientists based here. And we thought that Tunisia has all the potential and capabilities to start publishing their own journal. And we discussed it with many scientists based here, and we found that they have a large amount of publications focused on environmental science. So we thought together, we worked with them for more than 1 year to create a journal entitled Euro-Mediterranean Journal for Environmental Integration. The journal has successfully published the second volume this year, and both volumes, they include more than 35 to 40 high-quality papers. We started gathering citations for those papers. Visibility is also excellent, and this encouraged us to work with them to organize Euro-Mediterranean Conference on the themes covered by the journal. The themes covered by the journal, they focus on water resources, renewable energy, environmental health, natural hazards, and many other exciting topics. We gathered in this conference here in Tunisia during this week, more than 450 participants from 50 countries, so almost all Euro-Mediterranean countries, they are represented, and it is during more than 3 days. We invited the top scientists from both shores of the Mediterranean as keynote speakers, and many early career scientists came here to Sousse in the eastern coast of Tunisia to show and discuss their newest findings related to environmental science. I think that this initiative will create a new tradition of collaboration between northern and southern shores of the Mediterranean to work together to resolve the most urgent and pressing issues related to environmental science. The Euro-Mediterranean basins are suffering from many environmental issues, and I think we cannot resolve them if we continue working in the scale of one country. It is an integrated approach, and it needs an integrated effort to resolve those problems. So that's why the conference is focusing on environmental integration, and we hope that those scientists will continue working together and publish their results in this journal, which is, as I said, aiming to resolve the most pressing environmental issues following an integrated concept.
I'm Ahmed Bentia, member of the organizing committee of this conference. I can say that all the committee is quite well satisfied, not only by the events that occurred within this conference, but either by the quality of the talks and the number of participants, and mainly the organizing details that have been taken into account. And I guess that either the scientific program, social program, and mainly the discussions which have been quite well. Just as a reminder, I would say that our objective was to promote the journal, to share and to enhance our scientific production in the MENA region and the southern part of Mediterranean, and mainly to integrate our programs, integrate either scientifically and more importantly by sharing with the northern region of the Mediterranean. I guess that we found among the more than 400 participants and more than 500 talks and posters and so on. It was quite well rich, quite well promising, and I guess that the next time, in 1 or 2 years, we will be more. There will be more strength, more consistency in the content, and I guess that we can say that now this cooperation of sharing, integrating between the two regions of the Mediterranean community will be full of promising ideas and production and sharing and integrating.
I'm professor of environmental science and technology at IHE Delft in Netherlands, and I'm here for this Euro-Mediterranean conference for environmental integration. This is a great opportunity to discuss with many colleagues from the different countries belonging to the Mediterranean basin, and I believe that these regions need really to develop many initiatives that integrate different aspects in terms of research. And also I was invited to be part of this very important journal, which is the Euro-Mediterranean Journal for Environmental Integration. And I believe that there is a nice feature and where we can cluster the interest of many researchers in this field. So I enjoy very much to be here, and I'm sure there will be some future collaboration here that will come in the future.
Hello, my name is Shadli Tizawi. I'm originally from Tunisia, but currently I'm working in chemical engineering at Swansea University in the UK. I have research interests in the water and the environment in general. I'm here this week in Tunisia attending the first Euro-Mediterranean conference on environmental integration. The conference was a great opportunity to bring people from the southern European countries to discuss pressing issues in the environment. The conference was also a great opportunity to have a networking between the various researchers in the south of the Mediterranean and European countries. It was great to see so many significant research that is being done in both parts of the Mediterranean, and clearly the quality of the talks that I attended was great. I think there is a huge opportunity now between the researchers in both sides of the Mediterranean to collaborate and hopefully resolve and solve all these issues that the Mediterranean countries are suffering from, of course, environmental issues. We launched recently the Euro-Mediterranean Journal for Environmental Integration, and this journal will capture all the good quality research that is being done in both parts of the Mediterranean for the benefit of the whole society in both sides. There is a huge interest on the various countries surrounding the Mediterranean to work together to increase the social benefit of the research that is carried out in those institutions. I wish well to the journal, and I have a very good week in here talking to various people from various parts of the world. In fact, we have over 50 countries represented in this conference, which is great. All the best and well done to all.
I am Professor Mohammed Ksibi. I'm from University of Sfax, and my role in the Journal of Environmental Integration is managing editors. You know that the Euro-Mediterranean basins is suffering from environmental problems, and to solve such problems, we need to create a journal like Euro-Mediterranean Journal for Environmental Integration. Also, we need to gather all efforts through the organization of Euro-Mediterranean Conference for Environmental Integration to contribute to solve the problem of emerging pollutants and emerging problems of environmental problems. Also, I'm working with the whole of team to get the benefit of this journal and the benefit of this conference.